Hello, guys. You're welcome back to this episode of Indices and Exponentials. And today we're going to solve some questions, quick questions on exponentials. You're welcome to Easy Maths Tutor. And if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content with your friends. If you are a returning subscriber, we are so glad that you're here. I am so glad personally that you're here. And I want you to keep coming back, and please do not hesitate to share because I'm happy that you are here. So let's rush quickly to solve some few questions. All right. So the first question we're going to solve today is a simple question that has to do with exponentials. Okay, our first question is 3/5 brackets power x or exponential x equal to 27 all over 125. So how do we go about this? For us to find the value of x, we have to make sure that the left-hand side of this equation looks similar to the right-hand side of this equation, or rather the right-hand side has to look like the left-hand side of this equation. And when it looks exactly like the left-hand side, we will equate the powers. All right, so let's go right ahead into that. 27 we know is 3 raised to power 3, while 125 is 5 raised to power 3. Then if we group this, we have 3/5. Remembering our laws of indices, the laws of the brackets and all that. So we'll have this. Then finally, if you look at it, it's already similar to the left-hand side. All right. So we have 3/5 raised to power 3. So what can you see? It's looking all good, right? So if you cross out this base on the left-hand side and cross out this base on the right-hand side, you are going to be left with x equal to 3, and that is our final answer. Yippee! So the next question, question 2. We're going to solve a quick question. It's 8 brackets 2 raised to power x plus 4 plus 4 bracket close equal to 128. So that's the question, right? That's the question. So let's go right ahead to solve it. We're also going to try to make the left-hand side and the right-hand side similar, all right? Okay, no, it's not really going to be like that. So we're just going to try to make everything have a base of 2. So we know that 8 is 2 raised to power 3, 2x plus 4. 128 is 2 raised to power. We'll need to find that out by finding its LCM, all right? So 2 goes into 12 6 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 32, 3 goes once, remainder 1, into 12 6 times, 2 goes into 16 8 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 2 once. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 powers of 2, right? 2 raised to power 7. 2 raised to the power 7. So we're going to break it down, all right? Now, remembering the first law of indices, which it looks something like this: a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power n plus n. Applying this law of indices to this left-hand side, we are going to have 2 raised to the power 3 plus x plus 4. Remember, this bracket stands for multiplication, all right? Stands for multiplication. So these two powers will be added, giving us 2 raised to the power 7. So if we go right ahead to cross out the bases, right, we are going to have 3 plus x plus 4 equal to 7, which is the same thing as x plus 7 equal to 7. Therefore, x will be 7 minus 7 equal to 0. Remember that when plus 7 crossed over to this side, it became minus 7. So that was how we got this problem. So that's 2 solutions. So what we're going to do, we are going to solve the third problem here. Question 3. Quickly, if we run to question 3, we're going to have, question 3 is 3 raised to power 2x minus 9 equal to 0. So how are we going to do that? We'll just move minus 9 to the other side. So we have 3 raised to power 2x equal to 9. And 9 we all know is 3 raised to power 2. So if we cross out these bases, what do we have? We have 2x equal to 2. Therefore, x will be equal to 2 over 2. Because when these 2 jumps over to the other side, it becomes divide. Therefore, x is equal to 1. So that's what we have for today's lesson. Thank you for joining this class and hope to see you in our next class. And I trust maths is going to be fun and easy for every one of us. Thank you for coming. See you in my next class. Bye. Easy Maths Tutor is proudly sponsored by Kalido Foods. If you want to be smart and be a maths lover, make sure you take your plantain flour, yam flour, turmeric powder, ginger powder, and rosemary powder. For more information, visit kalidaresources.com.